In this video, we're going to be discussing how to prevent your plants from bolting or going to seed. As they mature and get to their later stages in life, they want to reproduce and make sure that their offspring are going to be back again the next year. So they start to grow these flowers at the top of the stalks, and that's where the seeds are developed, and you don't want that to happen. As soon as the plant starts putting its effort into growing seeds, it stops growing the delicious leaves which we need for our pesto. So as you can see right here, this is the flower. This is where it's starting to grow its seed, and we don't want that. It also tends to make the plant a little bit more bitter. So what we're going to do is, again, with a pair of scissors, we're going to cut the main stalk right above the node. And so that's going to, again, enable two new plants to shoot out of that main stalk, out of that elbow, and you're going to continue to grow more leaves. Welcome to Seedsheet, where we make growing good food ridiculously easy.